Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can delete your unnecessary pages because sometimes we created unnecessary page and we don't know how to delete it. Then this video will be helpful for you. In this video, I will show you how you can easily delete your unnecessary pages. So before starting the video, please subscribe our channel. Firstly, open the Facebook app and you will see three dotted on top right. Click on it, and after that when you click it, here you will see that I have more than 5 pages. If I want to delete YY name page, then I will click on it. After switching the page, click on 3 lines and then click on setting option. Here you will see page setting options. Click on it and then scroll down the page. Here you will see access and control. You will select it. After that you will see deactivation or deletion. Click on it. So if you want to deactivate the page, then click on deactivation page. If you want to delete the page, then click on delete and click on continue. It will ask you some question that why you are deleting your page. So choose any one reason. After that, click on continue. Here there are precautions for you that you want to save post in your archive, download your information, transfer your information. If you want to do this, then please do this, and after that click on continue. And here you will ask some question, confirm that it is your page. If it is your page, please write here your password. After writing the password, click on continue and you will see there is no any page of Y name. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please like it and subscribe our channel. Thank you.